Withdrawing money from eBay to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Begin by visiting the eBay website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access your payments account. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section. From there, click on Account and then select Payments to access your payment settings. Step 3. Choose Withdraw Funds. In the Payments section, look for the option to withdraw funds. Click on it to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Select your bank account. You will be prompted to choose the bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add one by providing your bank details. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. After selecting your bank account, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Review the details and click on the Confirm button to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be processed and transferred to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transaction to reflect.